We will now take a look at the part cleanup workflow. The first important fact is that PPE must be worn during this process. SLA resins are sensitizers, so exposure to the body should be minimized. Also, the cleaning solvents are degreasers and will dry out the skin. There are automated cleaning systems available, but we will be looking at the manual cleanup process. So the first stage is we have left our parts and platform to drain to recover as much resin as possible. If the parts have large flat surfaces, we can use a soft spatula to scrape the resin off the part and back into the vat. We then move the parts and platform to the first solvent tank. Here at RPS we use propylene carbonate. We then rinse the parts in isopropyl alcohol. The parts are then air dried for 30 minutes to an hour. This allows the isopropyl alcohol to evaporate, and this prevents the parts feeling sticky. The final stage is moving to the UV cure. We use our UV 800 for this process. This video will show the manual cleaning process step by step. Here, the parts are in the first solvent tank and are left for 5 to 10 minutes to remove the bulk of the uncured resin. The parts can be agitated using a soft bristle paintbrush. The platform and parts are then removed from the first solvent tank, and the support material is removed from the parts. The parts are then rinsed in the first IPA tank to remove any cleaning solvent and any residual resin that may still be present on the parts. We then move to the second IPA tank as a final clean. A low pressure airline can be used to help remove excess IPA, and then the parts are left to air dry.